Well, forecast, you'll need more than a jean jacket out there tonight.
Yeah, it's a little chilly. Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Weather Center, and we've got some rain coming through the area, Tony.
A cold rainstorm, Brian and Kim. You're right. Chilly. You'll want maybe a heavy sweater underneath a raincoat, and even colder for tomorrow. Now, this is primarily a rainstorm. However, late tonight into portion of Friday, the high elevations north and west of Providence, Foster, Gloucester, Burrillville, Pasco, our friends just over the border in Putnam, Danielson, Connecticut. It wouldn't surprise me to see a slushy coating to an inch of snow. Again, that's late tonight into tomorrow morning, but essentially just grab the umbrellas. Take a look outside, and we'll start in Newport Harbor, where we have some light rain right now. It is a much cooler day. As each hour goes by this evening and overnight, the rain will become much heavier, to the point where we're forecasting perhaps an inch or two of some heavy rain. It's much needed. Unfortunately, it all comes at once, but very heavy rain. Looking at amounts, again, 1 to 2 inches, and then a wintry mix north and west of Providence after midnight into tomorrow morning. If you have travel plans this evening and overnight, take it slow. Some reduced visibility. There may be some minor localized street flooding. It is just a cold, raw, and wet Friday. Essentially, the precipitation is lighter rain showers, windy and raw every now and then, especially high elevations. Some wet snow mixing in, especially in northern suburbs. And then we are dry and cool for the weekend. It's not a warm weekend, but at least things are drying out, especially by Saturday afternoon and into Sunday. See the areas of yellow and orange on Doppler radar? These are much heavier bands of rain and Connecticut getting ready to move in. So far it's been light, not much in southeastern Mass yet, but it's on the way, and it will be widespread and soaking. Here's the setup. Area of low pressure. Let me widen the view out right in here. This red L developing off to our south. Where is it? Right there. Now, normally these systems will just kind of scoot north and east. This one will actually move to the north, slow down, and then back in on top of us and stall right on top of us on Friday with more unsettled, raw, and wet weather, and then eventually slowly pulling away on Saturday afternoon. And yeah, there is a winter chill just to our north and west, so some of the colder air arriving overnight into Friday, and while we'll see a little wet snow mixing in with generally the rain. Here's the forecast. Tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., storm intensifying offshore with a cold rain, the blue and the higher elevations, some wet snow. And then notice, this is noontime. Rather than, scooting out to sea, look, it kind of backs in and stalls off the coast of Boston. This is Friday evening still with a cold rain and some gusty wind. We'll get in real close and we'll show you the amount of rain. Well, first of all, the forecast this evening and overnight, all this green and yellow represents rain. Now, this is 2 in the morning. See north and west of 295, you see this area of blue? Here we go. Some wet snow into early tomorrow morning, and then generally a cold rain in the afternoon, even in northwestern suburbs, and then this precipitation continues tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night, just raw and wet. As far as rainfall amounts, anywhere from 1 to 1.5 inches of rain now through tomorrow, and again tonight the heaviest rain, and maybe some localized street flooding. How much snow? Very little, but it would not surprise me. North of Providence, northern part of the state, just a slushy coating to an inch of snow. Not on the roads, your patio deck, your car top, your shrubs, things like that. The roads, the pavement's too mild for anything to stick. The Berkshires, though, picking up several inches of snow, central and western Mass. So for tomorrow morning, cold, windy, and raw with rain likely, some wet snow mixing in across some of the higher elevations. And then during the afternoon, just more of the same. Windy, cold, and wet, rain with a little wet snow mixing in. Where's the improvement? Over the weekend, it's a slow process, mostly cloudy, cool but drier on Saturday, a little brighter, milder on Sunday, with temperatures mid and upper 50s. WPRI.com, as always, to get your updated forecast. Mike and Brian.